Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Evan from the Swing Trade Pros team here. And in this short video, I'm going to show you guys some of the trade results we had this week from our stock and option calls. Okay? If you guys are interested in joining the alert service, make sure you guys check out the Discord in the link in the description below, and you guys can get a 7-day free trial. Stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. So basically, this trade setup that we did here was on Tilray. Okay, and I alerted this stock on Monday as a swing trade for the following week. However, you could have swung, you could buy the expirations, a month out, 2 months out, and that's fine. That's going to buy you plenty of time to catch this type of move, okay? So as you guys can clearly see, Tilray is in a massive, massive falling wedge pattern. It's been in this pattern now since it like had its buying climax here in September of 18. So we're looking at almost 2 years in a wedge. Okay, now it bottomed down here in March. Okay, and had a big bounce, right? And it just since then has been in this bull flag, right? So basically, what I did was I drew a little triangle here. It was just continuing to make higher lows and trying to break this $7.40 area. Okay, and so what I saw earlier this week, okay, on the chart, I was using a 4-hour chart, okay, and what I saw was I saw a bullish divergence and I saw a MACD cross up here on the 4-hour, okay. Now, I already kind of have it drawn here, and you can kind of see that we got this cross here, right, and this was on the 20th, right, so, or 21st, so like 3 days ago we got this cross, so I was like, okay guys, time to buy. And I can show you guys that, okay? It's very by the book, okay? So basically that's kind of what I do when I do these option calls. You can clearly see, where was it here on the 21st? Was that Tuesday? Yeah, okay, it was Tuesday. So Tuesday I said, hey guys, buy the 750s or the $7 in the money calls, expirations for next week. Okay, because I didn't know if we were going to get the move this week or we're going to get it next week. So just to give the my students enough time, a couple weeks is a lot of time in the stock market. I mean, obviously you could buy more time, but then you're paying more premium, and that's just kind of how the stock options go. So, but basically, if you bought those, okay, if you bought the $7 option calls on the 21st, okay. The low of the day was $6.59. Okay, you were getting some really, really good, probably really prices on these options. Okay, I think they were like $30 a contract, if I'm not mistaken, at these lows. Now, if you bought the $7 ones, okay, even cheaper, right? It's outside the money. You probably today got a massive gain. I'm gonna say over 200% gain on that trade. Okay. And it looks like this is probably going to continue, right? The candles just turned white. What happens when we get white candles? Well, usually it starts to become overbought, right? And you might want to consider, selling your long position and then maybe even taking a short position, right? Because you know that maybe if it gets up to this neckline here, around this, the candle body here is like right around $9.20. So if we get to this candle body here, we might get a back test of this breakout, right? So, but then we might end up. Okay, we might end up back testing and then running again and breaking out of this huge wedge. Okay, and then that's going to be another huge trade setup. Okay, so if you haven't entered this trade already, or you're thinking about entering this type of trade, I would get a few months out, right? Because this could easily just trade sideways for a bit. We already had some big move happen here right today, almost a 20% move right out of the wedge, or out of the ascending triangle that was in. So this was one of the trade calls we did this week. We did AMD, that was another big runner. And then we had some crypto calls, right? We had I think Band BTC, or I don't know if Band BTC was this week, but it might have been last week. But that was like a 25% runner. I know I alerted ONT the other night, Ontology. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys, like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And make sure you guys provide your comments down below, because that is really going to help these videos go viral and get more recognition in the YouTube algorithm. And also clicking that like button, okay? Did I mention click the like button? Okay, guys, that's all for today. I just wanted to give you guys a quick trade recap. And I'll try to be doing these videos a couple times a week to give you guys more insight as to what's happening in the alert service. We also have a running spreadsheet of all the trades that's pinned in the main chat in Discord. So make sure you guys check out the Discord. The link's in the description below. Thank you guys so much, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.